move.
Dolphins, are you ready for the photo?
We have a small demo whereby he will take us through. He's one of our lead trainers in St. John Ambulance, Kenya. Yes, so Andrew, you can start. So.
Good morning. Good morning, Andrew. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Very good. I just want to do a very short skill.
He will do a short demo. So he will check the safety of the scene. The area is safe. He's now wearing the gloves to ensure control of cross-infection, which is very crucial. We have to take care of yourself, also take care of the casualty and anyone you are interacting with. He is wearing the gloves in case of any blood or any other body fluids.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, he's checking out the response of the casualty.
Open your eyes if you can hear me.
Yes, the casualty has to open the eyes, to be told to open the eyes. No response. He's opening the airway, checking for breathing. He's also proceeding, checking for circulation to ensure that there is blood flow, which is a very basic skill.
So my casualty is responsive. So I'm just going to place him in the high in the recovery position to maintain an open air. But she is breathing.
He has confirmed the casualty is breathing, so he's turning the casualty into a recovery position to ensure the airway remains open. In case of any vomiting, the casualty won't choke and they'll be able to breathe freely. So that is it, basic recovery position. So in this position, the casualty is breathing effectively because it maintains the airway open. So this is now what comes after that. An ambulance is called and the emergency medical technicians respond, take that casualty to the hospital. So after this training, now the other team we train is the EMTs now in the ambulance. That is more advanced. Thank you for your time.
Sir, we have a message for you. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy Father's Day, our President.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Nashukuru sana. Sawa. You will pass my regards to your father as well, eh?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you very much. Oh, we will escort you. Okay. So guys. Very good. Very good.
Perfetto. Fungue. Oi.
Boro. Hapo.